afternoon. Welcome to RIU Aquarelle. My name is Dante Rosewell.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the RIU Palace Aquarelle. I'm the security here to assist you with your luggage and the inside.
Yeah, take care of your security for the hotel. Alright, so your safety is all important.
Yeah, do it. Yeah, man. Welcome to the RIU Aquarelle, man. Brand new.
Brand new.
Yeah, man. Nice and unique.
Never see smile.
Yeah, man.
Don't entertainment staff. Can't miss it. Can't miss.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, welcome to the RIU Palace Aquarelle. May I please borrow the IDs?
Yeah, man. That is it. Yes.
Tours over here.
All right.
Cutest tour, that's where we offer all the fun tours and the beautiful and sexy ladies.
Yeah, that's real. Let's start this. Spa. Money people have come and hijack for money. No money.
You should visit the spa. What's your name? I am Tanya. Hi, Tanya.
Thank you for the tour, really appreciate it. Give your name again if you don't mind. Chantal. Don't mind being on camera because people shy and stuff, but we highlight the hotel and the staff. Hey, this. Yeah, man. Performing tonight?
Yes.
Alright, make sure now we'll see you. Alright. Guys, you don't mind being on camera? What's the name of the hotel? The restaurant. American Country. How we gonna say? American. Oh, sign. They might design American Country. Alright, we are not American, we are Jamaican, so we are eat Jamaican food. Done. But big up on yourself, yeah? Alright, give me a wave. Welcome to American Country. You can do that?
Welcome to American Country.
One more time.
Welcome to American Country.
Oh, like 7. Jenna, you no problem.
No, man. You put
We have to do it.
blessing, man.
Blessings, man. It's good one.
Man, straight.
That's all.
The rum cream mix.
Yeah, with something like vanilla, like this pan it, some little thing.
Don't worry yourself.
Yeah, man. You just a smile, what you mean? You just a smile. Give me the name say.
So, I'm here the name say again.
Come again. Britannia. Want to get it right? Britannia. Ah. Play a shot. Give me the name. You can't
Chrysantia.
Chrysantia. Oh, yes. Right out there. You have to see it. Chrysantia. See you there. Your name?
Aliana.
Aliana. I always woke up some nice name in the thing.
Touch and run. Touch it and run.
Touch it and run. Alright. So may I get a touch it and run. See? Ross. Blessings, man. Blessings. Chef, you have jerk pork?
Tomorrow, my friend.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Alright, we'll come for pork a morning.
Yeah, man.
Full thing.
Not that you're fine, I'm on.
I can't prep the grill with the camera.
Do not stop you, my friend.
Yeah, man. That's how we have to ask you, man.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself in the man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, we don't know, man.
You good?
Matthew.
Yeah, man.
Straight up the thing.
Yeah, man, straight. You know, you can call me Slew them, you know? Slew them, I be your feelings, them I carry.
People look on upstairs, yeah. Not just vlogging, we have a channel out. So we don't do vlog, we do video.
Okay.
Straight video. So if you check
On
it out,
YouTube?
check out the guy, yeah. The guy is from Portmore. Just remember it. They can look at it. Last place to do was Ocean for a sell off like crazy. So you can take a look and see the product. Yeah.
Welcome.
Oh yeah. Say it again for me.
Welcome.
Alright. Alright. You see how the staff friendly? Weird, you know.
Welcome to Hotel RIU Aquarelle.
Alright.
I am Tenny's Teeth. I'll be one of your chefs.
For the night or for the whole time?
For the whole time.
For the whole time. Alright, my boss. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. After big enough, how you run the thing, you know? Cool. Can I just grab the one to the side? Alright. Server tonight is?
Hi, Shabania.
Shabania. Alright, Shabania. Run the thing. Yeah, man. Continue, man.
Welcome to the White Bear Restaurant. My name is Shabania and I'll be your server for tonight, alright?
Alright.
drinkers. Lift your glasses on the drinkers. toast, make a toast. Make a toast.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm well.
Where's the day going?
Balatar.
I hope you enjoy your day.
The boss, you name flinging name for where I make we know, man. Name?
John I. Davis.
John idea.
Yes.
Blessings.
Alright.
Thank
I hope you enjoy your day.
YouTuber.
Alright.
You're serious like you're police. You're police. You're police, man. You're bartender, man. One of the most pleasant smart them in the world.
Yeah, man.
Everybody can give them problems too. Bartender. What's my name?
Sheldon.
Sheldon. Bless up yourself, Sheldon.
Alright, bless up, Sheldon.
Sheldon, where you can make me we're nice and mellow in our
Can
man.
make something, we open at 10 o'clock, so 10 o'clock I can make something good.
Alright, no problem. I soon come back. Come up, Pepe. 10. I'll make you add on an hour for my thick brother. Yo, we fling stone and burn up place, you know. Alright. Not the wrong man. I'll do your thing. Wanna have pork today?
I'm not sure, but they can serve.
Alright. I have to big up the maintenance people, you know. Maintenance people have to get respect, you know. Alright, sir. Cool. Come here, pick up yourself, because you see much thing.
Pick up yourself. Welcome home. Welcome to Jamaica. And make sure you guys are here for fun, alright? Money, peace, love.
Alright, yeah. Big bartender people. So when you come to RIU Aquarelle, who you going to ask for? Who you going to ask for?
Money, or you can say bubbles, right?
Alright.
Thank you. My name is Orlando. Names.
I'm the one and only Mr. Fresh 420, and this is your DJ Slapway.
One love.
What the thing?
Take it easy.
Alright, now go see yourself, you know. See yourself, you know, on the one, boss. We call it, no. It's the water sport. You with the name.
Chris.
Alright. Shaquille, you have to.
Yeah, man, Shaquille, my name.
Alright, and Chris.
Yeah, welcome to Scuba Card.
Alright, when you come, you know who for ask if you do the scuba practice and scuba thing. Yeah, man. Big up the stars, the 2 lifeguard, nobody free like camera, you know.
No, sir,
big up yourself, run the name, you know. Run the name, you know.
Active, you know, man. See them, man.
Roger, man. Alright, so when you come, and who are next, man? Williams. Alright, Williams. Good show. Blessings. So you have to give me something. What we do? Me don't know. Yeah, your entertainment, man. Just big up RIU, big up your entertainment staff. Yep, everybody have praise, you know, including myself. Well done. Well done. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Yeah. Chef, dip on it, people. Look at it. Look at it. Ah, nice.
Man, big up my father, you know?
Yeah, man.
I don't know.
Follow her up, she does busy. She does make everything our get the name quick. Jamaica. Alright, Jamaica. Alright. The top chef, you see my work too?
Yeah, man.
You know it?
One chef, you understand?
Alright,
one chef.
Bless you.
Alright,
Yeah,
bless you.
Good night. You guys going home now? Alright. Yeah, cause we're on it early. Safe travel, you guys. Yeah.
It's rich, not the papers alone.
Thank you very much,
It's
Papa.
more than the paper, everyone in the room.